my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain.
YouTube fam, this is the Three-Wheel Traveler, and I'm looking to share with you some footage of my Geneverse HomePowerTwo solar generator and the solar panel that's outside connected to this generator. And as you can see, the digital display is showing that it's charging. It's currently at 94% and it's drawing in 70, 80 watts, and it's going to take approximately 2 hours with that 200 watt 200 watt solar panel to finish charging from 94%. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. And that's what that generator looks like. Okay. And like I said, it's connected to the power bank that's inside the house. And as you can see, it's currently drawing, it's bumped up to 134 watts, and it's the time is going down from 2.5 hours to 1 hour 20 minutes for a full charge, drawing the 130 watts. So we'll see what happens.